Namaste children. In previous class, we discussed number name, learn already, number name. Using the number name, write the numerals and numbers on the abacus. Then counting of twos, fives, hundreds, thousand, we already learned. Okay. So now today is a new concept. So we have already heard in these words. Okay. Now go for the new concept is face value and place value. What is meant of face value? You have already second standard student already in the second standard. These words are here. So face value and place value. What is meant for face value and place value? It is very easy concept. Okay, just I will explain that. Look at the board. So what I am writing in the board. So you have to write must and should in the CW. Okay. Now first we go for the face value. The face value means the value of the digit, the value of the digit itself. So what? So wherever it may be placed, wherever it may be placed. So wherever it may be placed means the place, you know, the place value of the number in ones place, the number in tens place, the number in hundred place, the number in thousand place, wherever it may be placed. Okay, once again I will repeat the in the definition of face value, the value of the digit itself. So whatever it may be, number has to be given in the number, so the itself number, wherever it may be placed, wherever it may be placed. Okay, that is called as face value. Okay, we read the number, the value of the number. So it is 2 2 4 4 5 5, wherever it may be placed. Okay, now concentrate that. So I will go for the one three examples. I will show that. Okay, this is the number. Okay, now okay, these are the numbers. Okay, I will circle one number. Okay, okay, find the face value of 6. So we have to write what is the face value of 6. So it is in 100 place, you know that. So the question is the value of digit itself, the value of the digit is itself, that is called as face value. So what is the value of this number? 6 6. The value of 6 is 6. The face value of 6 is 6. That is the answer. Okay, I will use to the next one color chalk paste. Okay, what is the face value of this number? Is 6. Okay, what is the value of this number? What is the face value of this number? 0 0 itself. So what is the face value of this number? Circle the number 3. Okay, so look at that, the value of the digit itself, wherever it may be placed. That number is 100, it may be placed in 100 place, and it is placed in the ones place, it is placed in the thousand place, wherever it may be placed, the value is itself. That is called as face value. Keep in the mind, is very easy concept, face value. Okay, did you understand the concept of face value? Now go for place value. So what is meant by place value? So it is very important. So using this place value, we write the expanded form neatly. Okay, now clearly understand the go for place value. Okay, the place value of a digit depends on its position in the number. So wherever it in the position, wherever it may be placed in the position of the number, that we should express the number, that is called as place value. In the second standard, you have only ones, tens, hundred places. But here we learn 4 places: ones, hundred, thousand, hundred, thousand. Okay, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Okay, 4 places we have to learn. The place value of a digit depends on its position in the number. Depends on its position in the number. Which number in the position in the ones place are number? The number in the position in ones place. or in tens place, or in hundred place, or in thousand place, which in the position of the number that we have to express, that is called as place value. I will explain easily. Just we can understand for the definition of place value. Once again, I will repeat that the place value of a digit, the place value of a digit depends on its position in the number. Depends on its position in the number. So now I will go for the examples. Okay. Did you understand face value? Okay. I will rub the face value and write the examples of place value. Okay. Now go for the examples of place value. First we go for place value. First we can understand, write the place value chart. So once, next tens, next hundreds, hundreds, thousands, thousand. Okay. So now this is the place value. Okay. Now I will write the place value. So write the numbers now. Okay. So now this is the place value. I put the numbers. The put the number is 8,724. Write the place values of each number. Write the place value of each number. Understand? Look at the students. So it is very important concept. We have to using this concept. So we write the expand form easily. Okay. What is the place value of 4? So it is in position is what? Position is what? Ones. So in the position of ones, we find the place value of ones place. We multiply 1. We get the ones place value. Okay. Look at that. So in this number, so we should multiply 1 in this number ones place. Which number in the ones place? We find the place value, multiply 1. So we get the place value of ones. Next, go for tens. How much multiply? It is tens. We should multiply 10. 10 we have to multiply, we get the tens value of the digit. Okay. Now go for 100. 100 we have to multiply, we get the place value of hundreds place. Okay. Now go for in this number 1000. Keep in the mind. So we have to learn this concept easily, understand for the place value. Okay. So now we understand. Okay. Now I will write all the place values of these numbers. Okay. Okay. Now, so look at that. Once again, I will repeat the concept. Ones place, so we have to multiply 1. Okay. Now, 100 tens places multiply tens. 100 places, we should multiply 100. So we get multiply 1000 to thousands place. Okay. We have to easily find the place value. So now, the place value of 4. First, the place value of 4 is what? 4 is what? So 4, the number is, the given number is 4. The number is whatever given, we have to write it. How much multiply? 1. We get what? 4, 1, the 4. The place value of 4 is 4. Because it is one's place. Keep in the mind. Understand? So now go for the place value of 2 is, so okay, the place value of 2 is what? It is in tens place. What is the position of 2? In the tens. What should multiply? Which number? What should multiply? 10. We get what? What is the place value of 2? 2 into 10. 2 10 the 20. Okay, sometimes 3 in this number. So what is the place value of 3? 30. So sometimes in the 8, 80. Keep in the mind. Okay, which number is sometimes 0? 0 is multiply any number, we get 0. So keep in the mind. So now go for the place value of 7. The place value of 7 is okay. What is the position of 7 in 100? Keep in the mind. The position of 7 is 100. 7. We got the place value. How much multiply? 100. So what is the place value of 7? 7 into 100. 700 the 7 into 100. 107 the 700. Keep. Okay, very easy concept understand. So now go for 1000. The place value of 8 is okay. The place value of 8. What is the position of the number 8 in? It is 1000. So we get the place value. How much multiply? 1000. 8 into 1000, 8000. 1008 the 8000. Guruji, sometimes in the place of 6, 6 into 1000. In the place of 4, 4 into 1000. Guruji, here only 7. So we write 6 or 4. So what is the 4? In the place of 4, what will come? It comes 4 into 100. We get 400. Keep in the mind. Okay. The place value of 4 is 4. So because it is ones place, sometimes zeros is there. So we multiply 0, any number, we got the 0. Okay. 0 is there? 0. Okay. Now this is a concept. Okay. Today, so face value and place value. So what is how to write the expand form? These place values using the write in one order using the plus. Okay. Now it is a place value. Okay. Now I will write the examples of place value. So we should don't multiply and then mind has to be multiplied. We get write the place value. Okay. Did you understand this concept? I will write the examples of. Okay. Write in the CW these concepts. Okay. Using this concept, write the place value. Examples. Write the place value of the n circled numbers. N circled numbers. I will show on the 3 examples. Okay. First one. Okay. Circle the number. Some digits has to be circled. Write the place value. Okay. Tell the place value of 0. What is the place value of 0? It is in the position in what? In 100 place. So we should multiply 100 into 0. It is get 0. We get 0. 0 to any number. That is answer is 0. The place value of 0 is 0. So now go for in the next number. So what is the place value of this number? 2. So what is the position of the number? First we have to count it. Ones, tens, 100. This position is 100. So what is the number is given? 2. How much multiply? 2 into 100. 200, 100 to the 200. The place value of 2 is here 200. Now go for third one question. So it is in the ones place. Keep in the mind. The ones place is 5. What is the place value of 5? It is ones. How much multiply? 1. Okay. 1 into 5. 1 5 the 5. That is the answer. Okay, this is a concept. Okay, so we can understand face value and place value. Now go for expanded form. Now expanded form and short form. What is, which one is short form? Which one is standard expanded form? So what is meant by expand form? The sum of the all the place values of the digits, each digits. Okay, the sum of the value of the place values. Okay, of these numbers, of each numbers. Okay, that is called as expanded form. What is the short form? This value. The short form means the each. So we can together we should write that is called as short form. This is the short form. Okay, so in the short form it is called as short form. Now we can understand, so it is short form. We can also call it as standard form. Keep in the mind it is a short form. So we write the expand form, you know the place value already. Okay, so we write the place values of the each number. So how to write the expanded form? Place values express the all the values. Okay, using the plus. So we have three ways we have to write the expand form. First one is each place values, and the place values which write it, and then using the sentences, and then place values multiply to given number. So okay, today so you have learned only two forms. Okay, expand form, two ways we have to learn. Okay, is enough for two. So in the fourth standard we have to go for fourth standard, we learn for another one. I will told it, I will tell that. Okay, just only two ways I will tell it. Okay, that those two steps are very easy. Okay, so now you know the place value. First we can write the, again this number 2087. Place values we express now. First ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Okay, now tell the place value. So what is the place value first? So start from left side to right side. So 1000 place is 2. What is the place value of 2? 2000 plus. Now 100 place is 0. So 100 into 0, 0. You know the place value 0 plus. Now tens place is 8. So 8 into 10, 80. Now plus ones place is 7 into how much? 1. It is because ones place 7. Now go for second way. So it is first one. It is first way. It is a very best method. It is very best method. Okay. I will go for second method. Okay. It is a short form. Keep in the mind. Okay. It is not expand form. Okay. Short form. This is considered for short form. It is expanded form. Okay, now I will write another way. So okay, so we tell two spellings. So we tell the position of the number. Okay, 2, the place of number is 2. What is the place in this place of number 2? 1000. 2 thousands. 2000s. Okay, 100 is 0, we have to left it. Okay, don't write 0 hundreds, so we can leave it. Okay, we should write or not, no problem. Okay, it is not considered for the 0. Okay, now go for tens. How much tens is there? 8 tens plus. So go for second last one, 7 ones. It is second method, second way. It is a second. We should write this type or we should write this type, anywhere, any method you have to follow. Okay, so which one is easy? It is very easy. How to, one easy method I will told you, write it. So I will tell the one easy method. So this number. Okay, so which number first we should write? 1000 place. So we write the number first. Okay, how many remainings are there? Remaining numbers, remaining digits? 1, 2, 3. All the digits has to be right in 0. Okay, 2 into 1000. So now go for 0. Okay, now we should and then close write the number 0. So remaining digits are, we can, how many digits are remaining? 1 and 2. So we can write or not write it, but 0 when the 0 is there. Okay, now go for 8. So we write the 8. So remaining how many digits are there? 1. So we can write the 80. So now go for 7. It is 7. Okay. Now go for the second one. So it is easy method. You have to follow the proper method. Okay. That is only easy. Okay. You can understand. So now go for the second one. Shall I go for second one? Go for second one. Now write the expanded form of this number. So what is the write it first 6432. Write the place values first. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Write the place values now. So what is the place value of 6? 6000. 6 into 1000, 6000 plus. Okay. Now what is the place value of 4? 100 place. 4 into 100, 400. Now tens place is 3. 30. Ones place is 2. 2. Okay. I will read the second method also. Okay. So which method easy? That has to be followed. Okay. Which method is very easy? So I think first method is very easy. Okay. Now go for second one. Okay. How much thousand is there? 6 into 1000. 6,000 plus how much 100? 400. So the 400 means 400 numeral 400s plus how much tens? 3 tens plus 2 ones. 2 ones. Okay. Now shall I go for third one? I will go to the third one. Okay. Okay. So we should follow the first method. Okay. Easy method. Okay. 1000 value is what? 4000. Is it right? So 4, 9, 3, 0, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay. Write the place. Write the expanded form. 4000. Is it right? 1000 place is 4. 4000. 100 place is what? 9. 900. Is it right? Plus tens place is 3. 30. Ones place is 0. We can leave it. Okay. This is the expanded form. Keep in the mind. Okay. So now homework is done for. Okay. So your homework is exercise first B, first main, second main, third main. Okay. So and then fourth main also you have to write it. So find the numeral. Okay. Circle the numeral. Okay. Exercise first B you have to solve in the textbook, not for in the HW. Solve in the textbook. Okay. One time write in the HW. Okay. Dhanyavad students. Today face value and place value and expand form and short form. Today we have to learn. Okay. Next class I will go for which concept is there? Comparison of numbers. Okay. Thank you students. Dhanyavad.